discuss about the skill development for your third year programming. So here I am going to discuss about the Java based programming. So in this Java, so what is meant by Java? You are already familiar with Java. Okay, so Java is nothing but it is an object oriented programming, and it is also it is a platform independent program. So whereas why platform independent, we are saying that why we are platform independent is nothing but, so we are going to save the file name as filename.java. So here if you are saving the file name.java and then we are compiling, the class file will be creating, class file will be created. So this class file can can run on any machines on any platform. So for example, platform is nothing but we having a different OS that is Linux or Mac OS or Windows, wherever it is, it will be executable. Okay, so first we will touch with the class. Next one object. Next one is encapsulation. So I will cover this the three topics. One is class, next one is object, another one is encapsulation. So the class is nothing but it is a blueprint of the template. Okay, so whereas we having a class, this is a class, we assume that this is a class and this is a memory. We having a class and we having a class name here. Then we have to create a variable declaration. The variable declaration, or we can specifically we can call it as that is member functions, member declarations. Next one is functions. That is variable declaration. After that is member functions or functions. Okay. So ஒரு கிளாஸ்க்குள்ள என்னெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா we having a member functions and variable declarations. இது ரெண்டும் தான் இருக்கணும். அப்ப so what we call it as class. So class syntax is class name. Okay, class name within curly braces we have to mention here. So class name, this class name can be have any name. Okay, or any name we can assume we can put any name. So inside the class we having a variable declaration. Okay, then member functions. So this inside the class we having this one. So how to access this class? By using a creation of object. So why how to create an object? So see this class name, the syntax I am writing, class name, object name equal to new class name. Okay, understood? So first one is class name, object name equal to new class name. So what we going to conclude this one is, class name is wherever using the class name. For example, we are using a name as class employee. So I am using a class employee. The name is class employee. So here we need to mention employee. Okay, employee. So now we are going to access that class. As employee obj. The obj is emp. So emp is my object equal to new employee. Okay, so now this class can be accessed by this object, with the creation of object, with the access of object, we can execute this class. Okay, so this is the class and object. So next one is encapsulation. So what is meant by encapsulation is nothing but wrapping up of classes. Inside the class we have a variable and member functions. So wrapping up of this class is known as encapsulations. So for example, if you are going to declare this variable declaration, variable has three types. One is variables, another one is local variables, another one is static variables. So these classes is encapsulated with the mechanism as encapsulation mechanism. So these three topic is very important in Java specific object oriented programming. Thank you.